Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome 2 LO2, understand the laws and procedures relating to copyright and trademark, and the impact of EU IP jurisprudence on the UK. In this video, we will explore how intellectual property law affects creators and innovators. You will learn about the principles of copyright and trademark protection, the legal frameworks that safeguard creative works, and how UK and EU laws influence innovation and creativity. The UK Copyright, Designs and Patents Act of 1988 governs copyright. It empowers creators to control the use of their works. Rights include public performance, reproduction, and adaptation. Creators can object to distortions of their work. Identifying the creator as the author is a fundamental right. Trademarks protect words and symbols that represent a brand. They help distinguish products and services in the marketplace. Registration is crucial for legal protection. Unauthorized use of a registered trademark constitutes infringement. Trademarks can include logos, slogans, and even sounds. Correct. The CDPA of 1988 offers creators control over their work. Internationally, copyright laws vary. Some allow limited reuse without permission. The 2014 amendment addressed digital innovations. Understanding copyright involves recognizing the distinction between ideas and their expression. Trademark laws operate differently across regions. The Berne Convention is a key international agreement. It sets minimum standards for copyright protection. In the UK, trademarks require registration for enforcement. Unauthorized commercial use without consent is a common infringement. The U.S. Copyright Act of 1976 safeguards creative works. It covers both the tangible and intangible aspects of IP. Registration with the U.S. Copyright Office is necessary for court enforcement. Fair use allows limited use without infringement. This includes commentary and academic purposes. Works before January 1, 1978 have specific protection terms. Post this date, protection extends 70 years after the creator's death. For joint works, it's 70 years after the last surviving creator. Works for hire have a 120-year term. After expiration, works enter the public domain. Artists have moral rights beyond economic ones. These include rights to attribution and integrity. They can prevent derogatory treatment of their work. Moral rights are non-transferable. Visual artists can stop alterations that harm their reputation. UK law allows some use of copyrighted work without permission. Fair dealing includes non-commercial research and parody. It differs from US fair use in scope and application. The UK Intellectual Property Office provides guidelines. Understanding fair dealing is crucial for lawful use. Unauthorized use of IP can lead to legal action. Infringement includes copying, distributing, or altering works. Owners can seek remedies through the courts. Licensing agreements can prevent disputes. Understanding rights and obligations is key to compliance. Orphan works lack identifiable owners. The CDPA amendment of 2014 addresses this issue. It provides a framework for licensing such works. This ensures creators can still benefit from their use. Proper licensing is crucial for legal protection. Trademark infringement requires registration. The alleged use must be in commerce. Unauthorized use without consent is key. Courts assess the likelihood of confusion. Protecting trademarks involves monitoring and enforcement. International IP strategies vary. They involve balancing protection and innovation. The Berne Convention harmonizes copyright standards. Understanding local laws is crucial for global operations. Businesses must adapt to diverse legal environments. Intellectual property law intersects with the right to repair. Consumers seek to fix products without legal barriers. IP laws can sometimes restrict this ability. Balancing IP protection and consumer rights is ongoing. Legal reforms aim to address these challenges. Conclusion: intellectual property law, while complex, is fundamental for protecting creators' rights and innovations. A thorough understanding of copyright and trademark legislation enables individuals to navigate the legal landscape confidently and make informed decisions regarding the use and protection of creative works. Mastery of these principles is essential for safeguarding intellectual assets and fostering innovation. For any support or questions, contact us on WhatsApp at 074843 61688. We are happy to assist. Thanks for your attention and see you soon.